Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing quickly. Wash your hands and the cup with mild soap, then rinse. Choose a fold, C, or punch down works, because each reduces diameter differently. Pick what feels easiest. Relax your pelvic floor. Tension makes insertion harder. Once folded, angle the cup toward your tailbone at about 30 to 45 degrees and slide it in until the base sits just inside. Make sure the stem is reachable but not protruding, and pause to let the cup pop. Once the cup is in, check the seal by gently rotating or giving a small downward tug. If it resists, you have a seal. You should feel comfortable. The cup sits lower than a tampon but not on the urethra. Wear it up to 12 hours based on your flow, but empty sooner for heavy days. When removing or cleaning during the day, always wash hands and rinse the cup with water or mild soap. When done, reinsert using the same folding and angle technique. To remove, relax and bear down slightly, then reach the stem and pinch the cup's base to break the suction. Never pull on the stem alone. Angle the rim downward and slide out gently to avoid spills. After your cycle, sterilize by boiling the cup for 3 to 5 minutes and store it dry in a breathable pouch. If you get leaks, try a different fold or reseat the cup, ensure it fully opened, and consider a different size or model if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.